LinkedIn what content you're interested in and what you're not interested in. LinkedIn has an algorithm, but how do you influence it? Well, one of the quick ways to do that is to engage with the content you want to see more of. So for instance, if I am connected to, let's have a look here, Joy, she's a first level connection of mine. If I want to see more of her content, I tell LinkedIn via a social trigger, which is liking and commenting essentially, that I want to see more. Commenting has more value because you're actually adding your thoughts to it. So I would definitely be commenting on things where you want to be seeing more of. But what about the stuff you want to see less of? So say Joy's someone I don't want to see much of either. I click the 3 dots next to her post. If it's just this particular post, I can say hide this post, but I might then want to see her other stuff. But if I want to remove her entirely from my home feed but remain connected, I simply unfollow Joy. And what that means is I'm not going to see her content in my updates, but what you're actually telling LinkedIn is that you're not interested, and the stuff then you are interested in, it gives more space for that. So it's a good practice to clean up your home feed from time to time and review what you're following, what you're not following, and keeping it relevant. So that's my tip. Clean up your profile and unfollow people and companies that you're just no longer interested in. Thanks for watching.